Welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey, and I'm using the Ooni Koda to cook a 60% hydration pepperoni pizza. So let's go make it. Okay, we've made the pizza. The wind just blew my gas out, and so I was a bit stuck. It's all okay now, so good to go. So this is my normal 60% hydration dough. So that's 500 grams of blue caputo 00 pizzeria flour with 300 grams of water. I'm not saying that that's the best hydration level, but it's the one that's sort of my go-to one. I'm experimenting with a 62% hydration at the moment as well. I tried a 70% hydration, and I need to experiment with the recipe on that because I didn't use enough salt, and I also didn't do the proofing right on it either. So the 70% the recipe will need to change for the 70% dough. I can't just change the water. I need to change the salt levels as well. So that's something I learnt from my last cook. But here we are with my 60%. And gosh, I think it's done. Whoa. Fire in a fire. Yeah, it's done. Okay. So my last pizza was 70% hydration and this one's 60%, as I said earlier. And already the difference in the crust, the crispy crust, is quite significant. I'll show you the crispy crust with 70% now. And you just heard the crust on this one. On the 60%, I'm tweaking the base. There's no crunchy sound. This is the sound on the 70% here. There is a difference. Give that a try. Yum. That's really tasty. Can't beat pepperoni, but I love it with fresh tomatoes as well. What I didn't get with the 70% hydration dough was any leoparding. I got a little bit, not that much. It was a 24-hour room proof, then I put it in the fridge for 19 hours. Yeah, I didn't go the full 24, I ran out of time. But I then brought it back to room temperature and then left it to rest. And I think I don't realise I'm leaving my dough to rest because I'm busy setting the camera up, and I guess I'm not adding that time. So as I'm setting the camera up, my dough is resting, so I'm doing it without realising. Look, I love the way it's cooked, the pepperoni. Really lovely. So it's not crispy like the 70%, so I can see why people love the 70% if they get that lovely crispiness. But this is also very nice and so much easier to manage. No holes, easier to stretch. Next time it's going to be the 62%. Very nice. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.